A very good morning, you all. This is my Google class. I have created for class 12th computer science and as well as for class 11th IP. And you can see 12th IP 3 students are there, and in 12th science 70 students are there. And already I have assigned assignment also. So now I want to show you my class and how I am managing my class. So from this tab you can check, and uh, here my two classes are 12th B and 12th A. So I am just clicking on 12th A. Now this is my class for 12th CS, that means A. Now here I have given assignment. This is my assignment, and I have assigned 70 students, and here you can see only in this assignment Aditi term means she have submitted, and these students are uh, they will submit within 29. So this is the assignment, latest assignment, and this is scaling of 10 points. So I can check if I want to check the assignment of submitted by this student. So I will click on this, and here you can see there are three files she have submitted. So first is SQL. Just I want to check. I click. So this is the assignment, and if I want to check this assignment, I will click on this icon. I will select red pen. Okay, now I can mark with this red pen. This is the Fibonacci series. She have completed task, and very good work. So here, from here I will save. Now I will open second file, SQL problem assignment 2. So here you can see these are two files submitted by student, and one I have edited, and I want to edit in second file. So again I will see, this is the SQL command, this, 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 and change -20. Something is doubtful here, so I will mark here, and department equal to coordinator. This is good, and this is also good. So I will save this. This is the second file, and CF submitted three files. So I will edit third file also. Then I will grade and return this file to student. Now this is the third file I have opened. This is the third file. Again I have selected pen. This is insert into command, but here one thing is missing, values. You can marks values. Okay, delete from star. This is okay. Now effort is very good. Something one effort is good. So I have marks all fixed in copy, and then after I will save. After saving, that means I have checked all three assignments. Okay, then after that I will grade here out of 10. I am grading this girls 9 marks. So after grading I will return this, return, and this is return. So that assignment will return to student. Now here all uh, those students are coming, those have not turned on, that means they have not submitted, and one assigned, that means you can see this is one student they have submitted, I have already graded. Here you can check also assignment turned on 0, 60 student I have assigned, and one is turned on. So I have graded this one. So this is the one assignment, and also I want to, if you want to send any material, you can see, and I have shared a PPT, that is recursion. So you can see this PPT also available in this group. So I think you can easily understand. So this thing you can also done with the help of recursion, with the help of PPT. Okay, this is also possible in Google Classroom. Now I have already given on 23rd one assignment, that was database. Okay, already I have shared this PPT also. So if you any statement, any marks, student can come in, you can also reply. So this is assignment 2, and you can see here, I have assigned 9 plus 4, 13 student, and plus 4 graded. I have checked 4 student copy. So they are the turn in. They have submitted. I have marked turn missing. They have not submitted. You can also send message, send reply, and they will send again. Okay. So these are possible with the help of this Google Class. You can uh, I have already shared a PPT also, live scope as variables. Okay, one student have asked me explain LCM and GCD. So this is possible. All things you can assign, you can give with the help of, if you want to send a message, you can send from here. Okay, so all student, I'm submitting, please. I'm assigning a message, please submit assignment. Submit assignment. So I'm sending, that will send to all student. Okay, so this is the streaming and this is the classwork. You can all see what I have given in my classworks. People's, how many students I have assigned in this group. You can also create using, and you can also add from here. You can add using email, especially Gmail. Okay, so teacher is only one, that is myself. Now this is 12th IP. Similarly, I have assigned class 12th IP. Please submit your task assignment 4 SQL. I have given, nobody have turned on, they have not completed. But in second assignment I want to check, turned on 0, assigned 1, 2 graded. I have checked the 2 students grade. Okay, so if you want to check this grade, again you can do. So this is possible with the help of Google Classrooms. Sir, I am unable to find all assignment. One student have sent me message with the help of this, and I have already created OK. Send message OK. So this is again class. I have given 4 assignment, and you can also assignment more assignment and check and return with the help of Google Classrooms. So this is all things streaming. Okay, so again in my home page, this is my Google Classrooms. Okay, so dear friend, this is very important and very useful for all of us. Only we should take initiative, and we can reduce our work with the help of Google Classroom, and easily you can manage this your subjects. You can create any class. So this is that's all for all of you. So enjoy using this classroom. If any problem, you can contact me or you can message me. Thank you very much.